JIKO-SIGIRI-in. So now we're making our charcoal stove so that we get that's what I'm going to use to make this. So what you do is that you tear this up, and you make knots. You make knots like this, just like this. Hope I'm not going too fast. Oh, you can use newspapers if you have. I'm using this because that's what I have. Oh, there also. Okay. Yeah. So don't mind this. I'm going to wash. Okay, so I'm going to use this matchbox and we light it up. Okay. So you just do like this. You just do like this. Okay. Please make sure you don't burn yourself. Don't burn yourself. So you do this. Do this. You do. Let me just call it a fence of charcoal. Yeah. Just like this. Just like this. And then yeah, then you could